Okay, I wanted to talk you guys through my kind of homebrew, calling it the HD500 frame. It's a Home Depot frame with a 500 millimeter end-to-end on the arms, and so that's about 20 inches. Wanted to just kind of experiment with this setup, actually, because I'm going to take my NASA and practice loops and rolls, and I didn't want to have the fear of breaking my flame wheel, my F450 frame. Okay, we are about to do a 1-hour jam session on building the HD500 Quadcopter with these nice 3D printed motor mounts and the iPower motors. So it's 10:30. We'll check back in a little bit. Mr. Dugan taking apart the Discovery because we are about to ditch the Discovery and build the HD500. Motor mounts printing. We're going to print 2 at the same time. See how that turns out. So we have the second part printing in conjunction with the first part. 2 motor mounts. All right, our first 2-part print complete, and it looks perfect. Okay, our HD500 is coming together. Got 2 more motor mounts. NASA's just kind of thrown in there in our receiver. We have 27 minutes. The HD500 coming to life. Little motor mounts. So, golly. It's now 11:36, so 1 hour and 6 minutes. Bring Franken-Quad to life. Initial discovery with Franken-Quad is that there's a bearing and a washer that kind of protrude from the bottom of this motor. See right there. And the motor mount hole is not big enough to wrap around that, so it binds a little bit. So we're going to drill these out and see if that does the trick. Little augering on the 3D
chews it up a little
plastic, but
that stuff doesn't like that very much.
Okay, our first mount with the 5 millimeter diameter hole for the motor shaft didn't do the trick, so we bumped it up to 9 millimeters, and that looks like it's going to get us in the air. Alright, we got our new mounts with the 9 millimeter, a little bit of split wood, but nothing to worry about.
3
millimeters thick.
Much better.
Yeah.
So you almost know.
Oh yeah.
I think that's the wood more than anything else.
We got 1 more to go. And then we'll take Franken-Quad, who's made in flight. Final mount. We're going to get it on and take Franken-Quad for a little flight. We can get it. I'm going to keep it on the ground and just see if everything. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. Let me get this from another angle. Our 3D printed motor mount. Man, it's got a lot of power.
Disappeared into the night.
Okay, I'll bring it back. Damn. Let's do a little, see if I can get a little spin going. So we built it's the HD500.
What's HD? Home Depot?
Home Depot. about $5 worth of parts. And then our 3D printed motor mount. Not bad. Flip it into manual mode and do a couple flips. All right, I'm gonna give it like a quick full throttle, okay? Let's see what the power looks like. You ready?
Yep.
That wasn't even full throttle. I'm gonna bring it back. I mean, the mounts are holding well.
Yeah, those bigger ones made a big difference.
Ready? Full throttle. Here we go. We did it. We did it, dude.
Nice.